People will find more of the chicken back. People, I went to the store and I find more chicken back. You best believe it, I take up a lot. Cause we're going to do a series of meal with chicken back. What we did already, we did French fried chicken back, and we do chicken back, and what we do? Brown stew chicken back. Guess what I'm cooking today? Curry chicken back and dumpling. It's me alone today now, Mr. Francis is not here. So, I don't know I'm going to manage because I can't cook a little bit of food. But we still are cooking now, people. Curry chicken back today. I am going to start cooking the food. So, check in. Watch where I go on. So, people, I'm going to deal with the food first. I'm going to make my dumpling. And I'm going to use 1 sweet potato, 1 dashi. Remember, I tell you I'm alone. I'm home alone. So, I'm going to make 1 dashi, 1 sweet potato, and I want a piece of ripe plantain, and maybe 2 bananas. Not gonna eat all that food, but still gonna cook the amount. I'm gonna make my flour, and then the pot is on the fire already. So as soon as I finish, I'm gonna start putting my food, and then when I'm finished with that, you're gonna see me with the chicken back. So stick and stay with me, people. See, we find the chicken back. We're going to do a series of video of chicken back. So, all who is asking for the different type of chicken back, you best believe it. At any time I find the chicken back in the supermarket, we go and make it. Who asks for the Ackee chicken back, you're going to see it. I'm going to put my ground food, my ground provision in the pot. I'm going to use sweet potato, dashi, banana, and ripe plantain. It's me alone, but I'm still cooking it. You have to cook for passerby. You don't know who's gonna pass by, but cook enough food. If somebody hungry and come by, they can get a plate of food. See my food in the pot. People, my finger is killing me, but guess what? I still have to use it. But you know, spraying don't go away. Alright, people, with food gone in, give it a stir. Food in the pot, look at that. Food in the pot, look at that. Food in the pot, look at that. Yes. People, look for my knife. What that mean? They say when the knife stay like that, I go travel, you know? Yeah, man, I got travel. I wonder which country I'm going to go. Hey, I wonder which country I'm going. Jamaica, Trinidad, Bahamas, England, Canada. You best believe it. My family there everywhere. So, I don't know where I'm going to go, but look how the knife stay. Hey, I'm going to clean up my chicken back. Then I come back. You see how I season it, okay? Okay, people, I went ahead. I cut up my chicken back. I washed it with some vinegar and lime. So now I'm going to season it. This is like 2 pound, 2.5 pound of chicken back. It's me alone, as I said. Not going to eat off all of this food, but I still want to prepare it. Right? Let me drain off some more of the water. Alright. So the season I'm going to use is half of a bell pepper, half of a onion, scallion, and some ginger. Yes. And then when I'm finished with the chicken back and I'm gonna cook it down, I have 1 carrot and 1 Irish potato. So let's get into the seasoning. Alright. I'm gonna use some ginger, garlic, and pimento seasoning. One teaspoon. 1 teaspoon Maggi all-purpose. 1 teaspoon oxtail seasoning. You know I love my oxtail seasoning. 1 teaspoon slap your mama. See it? And I'm going to use some thyme flakes. About half a teaspoon thyme flakes. You don't want too much. And 1 teaspoon accent seasoning. That's it. That's all the seasoning I'm going to use. Then I'm going to go in with my curry. I use 2 teaspoons of curry on the meat itself. Even though you know I'm going to burn some curry. But I use 2 teaspoons on the meat itself. Then I'm going to put some of my natural seasoning. I'm going to use half of the amount on the meat. And then when I'm going to cook down the meat, I'm going to put the rest. So here we go. And then I'm going to cut the ginger. I'm going to mince it up. And then you rub it in, people. Rub it in. Wow, you want to smell it. Jesus. Look at this, people. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the pot. Not a lot, it's chicken back. Just put a little oil in it because I'm going to burn some of the curry. I'm going to burn like a teaspoon of curry. I put 2 teaspoons on the chicken back and I'm going to burn 1 teaspoon, okay? See, people? 1 teaspoon. Curry that I use is better for curry. You can use any curry you want. It's just that I rather better for the curry. And I don't want to burn the curry too black. No. Alright, that's it for me. Just until it's hot. Let's put in our chicken back. People, look how that's pretty. Chicken back, curry chicken back. I'm going to cover this right now. Because I normally brown my meat. Whether I'm cooking chicken back or anything like that. I normally let it get a little color so the season can soak in it before I actually put any water on it, okay? Let's cover the pot. Now I'm going to put on my kettle because you know I don't put cold water on meat. So I'm going to have my hot water ready. Let's check our pot. Look at that, people. Look at that. Don't watch the amount of meat, you know, it's just me alone and enough meat this. Look at the color. Wow. I'm going to let it soak up the season some more and then I'll put some water on it, okay? Let's put in some water in the pot. Look at that! Fire! We're going to allow that to cook a little and then we put in our seasoning. People, look at the pot. We're going to put in our natural seasoning now. And a little more powder season and we're good. The chicken back cook. Oh Lord, you want to smell it? See, I'm going to put in the 1 carrot, 1 Irish potato, the rest are seasoned like the onion, the scallion, and so forth. At this point, you're going to season to taste, okay? Let me taste it first. Ooh, we just need a little bit more. And we are good. So you season to taste, okay? Look inside the pot. We're going to allow the carrot and the Irish potato to cook. And then, that is it. Our carrot is cooked. So I want to make some gravy because I don't want it to be too watery. So I'm going to use some, I'm going to put some cornstarch in it. About a tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. You're going to put it in little water. See? You don't need a lot of water because you're coming down to gravy time. So you don't want to start over about the cooking process. People, looking at my pot. Oh, lovely. Oh, beautiful. Wonderful. See? We're making the gravy now. Who wants some? Gotta cook your own. We're gonna cover the pot for about 3 more minutes and we're done. People, the boat land, look on this. Look on this. Look at this. The boat land curry chicken back with banana and dumpling. Dasheen, sweet potato. Look at this. Look how the chicken back nice, eh? Does this bring back any memory? I know it did, yeah? It bring back memory. So me I'll max up this. And me alone to them. Mr. Francis, you want some dough? Wherever you are, I know you want some. I'm going to say, babe, so you cook this and I'm not dead. But guess what? Work have to go on. I'm going to leave some for you, man. I know you soon come back. I'm going to leave some for you. I'm not going to eat it off. But look at this, people. Isn't it lovely? Yes. Yeah, I'm going to tell you some. A lot of people say I'm not eating in the video, but I'm going to taste some today. Just watch me. I'm going to eat today. As I tell you, I'm not a foodie, but I love to cook. My God. People, skin back are nice. Nice like a pound of rice. I'm going with some banana. Look on the steamer come over the food. Mama, you remember when you used to cook this way? Ooh. People. Nice. Wonderful. Wow. Going to piece of dasheen. Dasheen are nice. My husband's sorry in there. I eat for me and you. No. Going piece of dumpling. Boy. Ooh. Dumpling gummy and now. Who missed this now from Jamaica? Look there. Look there. Look there. Look how curry stand up. Watch there. Jesus. Ooh. Ooh. No. People, so I stand up in front of you guys eating. And guess what? I made some pineapple juice today. Pineapple juice from scratch. I like to make juice too. You're gonna see some juice video. I rather make juice than to buy juice. This is pineapple, ginger and lime. Whew, wonderful. Anyway, people, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And as usual, I thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. People comment, man. I answer every comment. You can comment. I'll answer you. Let's have a conversation. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is it from the Francis. And we are out. Gonna enjoy my chicken back. Watch out for the next epic video.